Here's a universal truth. To protect, one must act. Defense does not wait, and neither do we. Beyond Vision will be at the World Defense Show in Saudi Arabia from the 8th of February to the 12th, and we cannot wait to show you our latest technological advancements. Over previous editions, this event has seen more than 100,000 visitors, with the participation of nearly 800 exhibitors and 76 countries. It is truly a privilege to be part of the World Defense Show, but it's also a responsibility. A responsibility for the future we want to shape in every new development we achieve. A safe and sustainable future. Through networking, innovation, and collaboration, the international defense community will unite to keep pushing boundaries for protection. This is our calling, and we want you to be a part of it. See you in Riyadh. Come meet us.